The Better Home Plan, I would view it as a promise that every time we're in your house, we're striving to make your home better. Whatever we can do to make you more comfortable, that's our goal.
Oftentimes we get phone calls about situations homeowners are in without heat or without cooling. And the Better Home Plan gets out in front of that. It's preventative. It helps you make sure that things don't break down. It lets us take a look at your furnace and air conditioner and plumbing before you have an issue.
I like the preventative measures that we do, just making sure the homeowner knows what's going on with their house.
2 times a year service for the heating and air conditioning, make sure everything's working properly, not going to break down when the heat of the summer or the cold of the winter. They're going to be assured that their whole plumbing system is working right, they don't have leaking water somewhere that they don't know about, their water heater is still operating properly and it's not going to burst.
Not only are we just checking the stuff, we're also making adjustments, messing with dampers, fan speeds, trying to make the home better than what it was when we first got there.
When you have your equipment being professionally maintained on a regular basis, that provides a lot of peace of mind knowing that it's going to perform its best. Doing proper maintenance on your home's mechanical systems, just like your car, is essential. That's the bread and butter behind the Better Home Plan.
What we do is we have a software where we enter all the notes from every tune-up that we've been to. So if we've been to your house for 10 years, we'll have had a record for 10 years of everything we've done at your house.
When somebody joins the Better Home Plan, that's like joining the family. We opened the front doors and said, come on in, and you came in. And now you're one of us, and it's our job to take care of you and to make you feel home when you're at home.
They're putting their trust in us as a company that we are going to keep their mechanical system and their plumbing running in peak condition. People's comfort is a serious thing, and we want to make sure that we are there to take care of our customers whenever they need it.